Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to cancel subscription here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. Now, canceling an account here in Adobe Express is a simple process. Alright, so once you are logged into your account, if you hover to the upper right corner where you can see the settings, right? If you click that, you don't have the option to cancel your subscription here, right? Instead, what I want you to do is go to this link, which is account.adobe.com, right? And from here, all I have to do is go to the Plans and Payments tab. There's going to be a drop-down menu, and all I have to do is go to the Plans section. As you can see, I have no paid plans at the moment, right? But if you do, you should be able to see it from here. And all I'm gonna do is click on cancel and just follow the on-screen instructions. You would also see that on the orders and invoices. All right, for example, you paid for it, you're gonna be seeing that, plus the activated devices, all right, and the products. From here, all I'm gonna do is cancel the paid subscription, especially if you upgraded to the premium plan, because as you can see, if you are using a free trial, you would have the option to see that you are using a free trial, because if you have your mouse here, you would notice that you can try premium with a 30-day free trial. All right, so these are going to be some of the rules and regulations for you to be able to go for the premium. Right now, when you go to the premium and started the 30-day free trial and it ended, and if you want to cancel that, just go again to the plans and payment, and you can cancel the subscription here very easily, right? But if in case you encounter any problems canceling your subscription here in Adobe account, all I'm gonna do now is to contact the Adobe support. These are gonna be some of the channels for you, and you can contact them, right? If you want, just go to the Adobe Virtual Assistant, type in your questions, and one of the customer support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to cancel your plan. For example, if you opted for the premium, click that, get started, and you would notice that these are going to be some of the options, right? Just follow along. Especially that if you're looking to cut cost or feel that Adobe Express is no longer worth the monthly or yearly fee, canceling can help you save money. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.